In this video I'd like to demonstrate and test how to create a virtual machine for Windows Server 2019 on a Windows storage space in my system. This is my NVMe V disk, which is my storage space containing actually two 500 gigabytes NVMe disks made by Samsung. This is the EVO Plus, and both SSD drives, NVMe SSD drives, are served with a ASUS Hyper M.2 PCI card. When we have a quick look, this is the storage space definition I have here, and the physical drives. These are the two drives included in this storage space, and the virtual disk. This is the name of the virtual disk, which was configured on top of this pool and storage space. Then let's just create a virtual machine first for this speed demonstration. Because it is recording, maybe the real-time actual values are not how to say exact, because this recording flashback recorder may consume quite a lot of power, but for the disk speed it should be irrelevant, but maybe not. So before you begin, let's just create the virtual machine NVMe VM1, and then I don't want to store this on the C drive, instead in the N drive, because this is my NVMe disk. Next, generation 2, memory for 4 gigabytes. I have 64 gigabytes, so I have a lot of RAM. Okay, so I have to create then first a let's just add this later, then define the connect virtual hard disk, create a virtual hard disk on N. Yes, that's cool. And I also want to use give me a sec. Whoa, where is my ISO files? Let me just okay, let's continue with the next step is installation option, and then I have the ISO files here. This is the Windows Server ISO file, so from the same location, and then finish. Okay, coming here, and then just add some settings. For example, the number of processor maybe 4, and also for virtual switch manager, let's just create an external, create a virtual switch. New virtual switch is V switch internet. okay, and then for the network adapter, let's select this switch, and practically we are done. Then let's start the virtual machine. Double click, okay. Here you go, and now the whole story starts when I click start. I press spacebar and let's see how it goes. I have UK keyboard. We start now. Okay, practically that was it. So in the next iteration I'm going to do the updates, but for now actually this was the initial installation. Let's do the same for the moment. Let's just shut down this virtual machine. Okay, and let's do exactly the same on a virtual machine on my C drive, which is an SSD. The operating system is running on there too, so that is SSD VM2. Yes, this is the C, this is perfectly fine. Generation 2, memory again 4 gigabytes, networking, internet, yep, and then not from this but from this C drive, same file actually, but from the C drive. Okay, I have this virtual machine. Let's open it. Okay, then let's start the run. Okay, we are done. So that's the point when we are done with both of the systems. So